So today we're gonna do swimming. This is our place. And that's my sister. And everybody is so excited that my niece and nephews. So they are my niece and nephews, guys. They came to visit us, and they want to go swimming. This, yeah. Ala, Otet, damay mo nga malangoy, langoy ko na langoy.
Langoy ba langoy?
Lamo.
Wala doon pala at kulay pink. Naman
Ay, sa may sa blood Jano. What's out of it? See
That's
that?
why even with my thing, I wear underwear. I don't want to take no chance over there. I don't want anybody to look at it and they have to pay for it. They have to pay.
Ikaw yam, ikaw pa go. Baba pa sa ikaw. Hoy!
You the one who wanted to go in the pool. Now you have
Sige na, quiet now. Yeah.
You want to go in the pool. What happened? Eh?
She's scared.
I thought you wanted to go in the pool.
Yeah, but you know she's not feeling well, but she want to go. She doesn't have the life jacket, the pink one. The life jacket.
You're not going to let it go.
Pwede ba nga tumalatas siya kung kuha na nga nila siya?
Oh no.
Go with mama.
Ang lista nga ito kanila mong sirata.
Go with mother.
Pwede nga tumalatos, pero kinang maglistangan to.
Ano nga nila siya na lista?
In case if ano mangyari, wala silang pananagutan.
Ay, God.
Kay Laom sa yan, gibali.
All the time.
Ligo na. Ay, lamang ilabot tayo mo talawaan niya, ha?
Look at this little boy. You see how see when he should come, naman.
What are you waiting for? Go get your breath and we'll go there.
Tep, langoy ka nga to, Tep. Langoy ka.
Ikaw gusto ko, tayo mo lang, huwag ito.
Don't run though. Be careful. Don't run. You can
Alat
slip.
sing eh.
Yeah.
Sige, you can swim.
You can?
Jano, what you waiting for? Di na madawat. This boy knows how to swim. Look, this is 4 feet. 4 feet lamang. Ay, paglakso lamang ng kuan kay kuan.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, laom. Hulok-lok. Dive mo.
I remember my pasaway does things
Yeah.
like this. Remember?
Yeah.
He used to do that. Now,
Now he's a grown-up,
Now
eh?
he's like a good boy sitting in the corner, so quiet. Don't want to wake up in the morning, go to school. But they didn't complain about the water.
I know, yeah. You know, when people excited, you Wait, tignan sa tubig. Wait lang mo, ha? And that's my sister.
Yeah, they didn't complain about the water. They didn't complain about the food.
Listo isa ka malang uya ha. Isti ko sa malang uy tagaw tip. Oh, it's really good in swimming ha.
Yeah, I see his action. You know that. But I don't think he can do breathing. So he holds his breath and then he comes out. So I don't think he can breathe.
Oh yeah, nobody does also.
Really?
Yeah, you
That's what the teachers have to breathe.
yeah, you can hold but not long ano. You can only hold but
They
like
teach us. And then he's letting it out. That's what they teach us. Man, this is tempting. The water
ikaw
feels
ti di ka pa go.
Mapakaway daw mga doja.
How about you will jet?
So when you get your nose fixed, then you're gonna go, right? Otherwise, no need to fix your nose. If you don't want to go.
Yeah, I know.
And I know that's his excuse.
Ikaw gi ka pa go. Ka pa go.
She needs to change that. No? No.
Short it's okay but not the why ka mo t-shirt pelo.
Extra clothes to wear home when you go.
Eh bado mo.
Your clothes not gonna fit her. No, you have. No, what you're saying is you can hold your home back there, but this is not gonna dry when you go home. So maybe you know if you need to yeah, so that's okay. You know, no, not here, but when you go home.
Wag tumakbo ha, danda lang ng lakad, Jem.
Nang dili na yan eh.
Di pwede ginang lua. Di pwede.
Mamay na lang.
You need to, you know, like your ate has.
Lang. Ikaw may matakbo ka na.
Not in the pool.
Dito ko yung pangpalgo, t-shirt lamang yan.
Wala ka na pangkuhan ko diyan.
I don't think so.
Awas ka na ko ni pangkuhan ay good.
I don't think they allow those.
Nipis ka.
Oh, yung pangpalgo mo. Oh, hindi pwede. Oo.
Hindi na.
Oh, hindi na lang, Jen. Pwede ba yung short mo? Gusto mo yung short? Pwede ba yan?
Kasi ko lalaki.
Ha? Wala yung short mo?
Ha?
Galang ko tanaw sa bahay.
Ano?
Ay, yung short mo, ito na pwede masuot.
Ay,
Sa taas.
mapahuli na ito na ako lamang.
Mang bahay siya ito na short. Hindi na papa. Ha?
Sabaw ko.
Isa.
Siguro.
Isa yan, sige ba? Hanapan ang tuligas. Ay, yung tuligas.
Ay, yeah.
Ay, nibasa sa akin. Ay, bilit ka bilit. Dawa dito dati sa namukan mo lang, hindi dati sa namuk. Hi, my sister. Otep! Ay, pagpagdagan, ginoo ko sa mga na mga lagignas kamo.
They don't let you run because you left.
Di pwedeng padang ano ito siya kaya masakit yung kuhaan, dito lang paniwan.
They don't understand. You know, you're gonna slip, you're gonna bang.
That is for females.
What is that?
Why did they
Jem
for
ha,
females?
ay pagdagan, di pwede magdagan.
There's no woman there.
Makita ko magdagan, mga akita tayo ha, pagkita ko magdagan, akita tayo.
They must ulos. Maybe some woman is looking in
Nang ano yan, kita gidang langit yun na ay.
What ito, magana no?
Ano ko siguro sa langit baby ah.
So,
Ito sa init. Talagang imay daw sa trabado sa.
ay ba't binabalot lang?
Kaso lamang kayo magkuha na. Nang magkanganain na, kayo mag-ihiya ko na. Tanan. O, doon ka na ako sa gawas yun eh. Sinita ng tangon ko.
Maginom ka na maipit. Agit ang gawas lang.
Yung kapabre, hindi ko mag-ihi ako sa ganda si Lugard. Pakakuha na lang. Talaga yun. Baguman mo sa Lego, mag-inom ka ng tambal dayon ha. Aw, di ka di magawa ka ng tambal mo ka di.
Ay, pagdagan ha, di pagdagan. Otet, pag madagan ka, di na magpalag, pwede, mauli na.
Saan niya minsan sa kulit.
Antay lang mga langan ka na magpamaki ha.
Nandi ba dati kay Anya na nga eh.
Unik ko.
Itong limon di ba kay Anya, gamayay pala. Pero ba nato yan? Magkuhan lang
Good thing is
niya.
dito guys, ano, behave, you know?
I know. If you compare all this, what we have, she's the best. The only problem is, Mama.
She has her own, like mind her own business, you know?
Yeah, I know.
If she is not at home,
This boy, he wants everything when he open the fridge, he go one this.
he's greedy.
Yeah.
Oh, no, urun.
I mean, I can understand, I give you one thing. After that, I say, why are you looking in the fridge? Chocolate. I said, no, I don't have chocolate. Ice cream. It's like anything, just give me. And then they drink. He's like, oh, I want this juice. I said, no, this is for her. He wants the calamansi juice. I said, no, that's for me. It's like anything, give me anything,
Anything?
Yeah. And then he goes up, oh, you were not there. He goes up to the fridge, starts opening the can. I said, what do you want? He wants Sprite can. I said, no. I said, drink the Coke in the bottle. Finish that.
Nahanay na live lang. Gabi, groto ko ng kuwan dyan. Pero may chicken nugget. Ganun ko na yung paborito.
Then he opened the, when he opened the
Ano,
outside.
kamo sinutulon na yung uti ko. Hati-hati lang. Hindi, akin lang yan. Nakudan sila ni Anya, ang may uti. Kung nabibigyan ko lang sa pag-iisa. Ano sinasundan?
That is fine. Yeah,
Pag ano, asa bahurot na ni, ihatag sa kanta nanti. Asa bahurot, kaya wasa may di magkibali ang duha. Asa may di magkibali ang duha ng pagkaan. Iwag sila yun ito.
Hindi mo ba? That's my own. Why you put that?
Okay, gidala yun.
Ay, yeah.
That's why.
Ay, di na kumakupan. Hindi na. Una lang ka din, walang ko lang una. Itignawan ka. Doon ko lang. Ano pa sa mga kasan na ito? Ano ganiwan, one piece lang na anak.
Yummy tell yung lumar din.
Ang gusto ko na napangkuhan na yan, ganin lang.
Yummy baby. Let's talk
Gusto
something.
ko yung anik ko na yung kapasot yan. Isa na, Gusto siya. Gusto ba't ko din na-shoot? Oh, iyan ang gusto ko. Tapos inaini tayo. Pero kung
Pinatami sa gusto yung 50 pesos. Ang sito niya miya, magiging jay sini. Jay siya miya, mga sito yung naman.
matanda siya yung
You
labang
want
ko.
chocolate? No chocolate, you want ice cream.
Yan ang gusto ko. Yung mabranda ko nga ni. Tapos short hair nga din.
So we calculate everything.
Tapos hindi ka may maya kayo ng kuhaan ko balik ka.
Funny. Wait, don't run. See that?
Ada!
See that?
Ang yung mga kuhaan ha.
Kung na, dami ko na. Dami loob. Laman
That's why they don't want us to run because what if get hurt and then we have problem.
Siyam.
I told you, I told you, young.
Kaya tingnan ka mo pangati sa bahay. Kaya ang bahay, ang gawin mo na ng bahay na. Kaya gawin sa taas. Hindi ako magpasada. Hindi ako sa ubus namin.
He wanted to swim. I said, that's okay, but this guy, he goes outside fridge, he see apple, he want apple. He's pride, he wants that. So I say, what? They come from a family with no food? Or what is that? And look at my pasawai. Everything at home, he doesn't want anything. He only wants laptop. GTX 47.
Di ba ano, asawag sa ang ko ah.
RTX got this GPA.
Oh, RTX. 4070? I saw 4060 for $1,200. 4060. Yeah. 4060, $1,200. The only thing is you have to pay another 300 shipping and all that. So let's say 1,500, about 75,000 pesos.
Why is
Ikaw
it
ilangan
so?
ka di ba para magdagan.
1 terabyte, 16 gig RAM.
I need
You
one
know how
terabyte.
fast that is?
Yes. Very fast.
This is a good girl. I'm a good girl.
Huwag kasi magtakbo. Kasi pag natakbo ka, madulas ka. Ang ulo ka madulas yung ganito. Huwag ka magtakbo.
He's gonna go home soon. She say even his mother punishes him all the time. I said, no, what?
Yeah.
Ihadok ka na,
He
ihadok.
doesn't listen.
The mother, back. pakpak.
Yeah. Even I know Pak Pak. I want to get to something else. No, to him, not to you. He's a big fella, big fish. Oh, you already went? I didn't see you. I don't see you.
Kaya magulat ka sa kamo dahil
Because look, he was going to slip. He
Yeah,
was,
then
you know,
always
yeah.
times telling
You know, because if you have blood coming here, there, we are in trouble, they are in trouble.
me also.
And then you also. Yeah.
Di ba, ko magdangan po.
There's, you know, there's rules and regulations when you go to places.
Maguting ka man tata.
Tell him take this food, that's the over.